Friends, welcome back to Experimental Brains, and today we are gonna prove that how 1 is equal to 0, 1 is equal to 2 and many more. And yeah, it sounds funny, but yeah, I'll prove it not with only one method, but I will prove you it with 3 methods. So let's begin. I am on my copy and you can see I'm gonna start with #1 to prove 1 is equal to 0, 2 is equal to 1 and many more, and you can find in many more as you want. So I will start with 1 and you have to find the mistake, because you know this is wrong actually in real life, but how it will come, you have find the error and you have to comment on the comment section. So let's begin. Can I write minus 30 to be equal to minus 30? Yeah, of course, because they are equal. Actually this is minus 30. Okay, so I can write it as 25 minus 55, because they are same. 25 minus 55 will be equal to minus 30, and which is equal to, I think, 36 minus 66, because they are also equal. So right here now I'm gonna start with solve this. What is this? This is actually 5 squared, which I will minus with 11 multiply 5, because 11 multiply 5 is actually equal to 55, and here I can put in whoa, and here I can write and here I can write 6 squared, because 6 squared is equal to 36, and I will minus 11 with 6, 11 multiply 6, because they are equal. So right here now, if you see 5 here, and right here now you can see 5 square minus 11 multiply 5 is equal to 56 square minus 11 multiply 6. So can I add or subtract or same thing to complete equation? Yes. 5 square multiply 11 minus 11 multiply 5 plus, if for example a is equal to b, then I can write a plus 2 is equal to b plus 2. Yes, because they are equal. So right here I can add up a number 11 by 2 square, and which is equal to, again, 6 squared minus 11 multiply 6 plus 11 by 2 to the squared. And right now you can see it is gonna be equation. So I will extend it 11 multiply 5, and I can multiply and divide the same thing. So I will multiply by 2, divide by 2, plus 11 by 2 to the squared, and which is equal to 6 square minus, oh no, yeah, I have to write 6, and 11 multiply 6, I can also divide by 2, multiply by 2, plus 11 by 2 raised to the whole square. So now you can see it is like our equation, which is a minus b to whole square, which is equal to a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square, and a is 5, b is 11 by 2. So I can write it as 5 minus 11 by 2 to whole square, and it is equal to this. This is also written as same. So here I will write 6 minus 11 by 2 to whole square, and you can see both sides have a square and I can cancel them. For example, if you see a square is equal to b square, I can cancel them and a will be b. For example, 4 is equal to 4, 2 square is equal to 2 square, and I can cancel them, and again they are same. So this is equal to 5 minus 11 by 2 is equal to 6 minus 11 by 2. Now you can see both sides have been subtracted by 11 by 2, and if I cancel them out, nothing will happen, and again 5 is equal to 6, and now minus both sides with actually minus both sides with 5, and you can see 5 minus 5 is equal to 6 minus 5, and it will be 0 is equal to 1. And if you want 1 is equal to 2, uh, just subtract them with 4, and you can see the answer 6 minus 4, and again it is equal to 5 minus 4 is equal to 1, 6 minus 4 is equal to 2, and I proved both. So this was the hashtag 1, and you have to find the error. What is the error in this equation from here to here? Comment down below. And now we are going to start our second method, which is again 1 is equal to 0 and 2 is equal to 1 and many more. Hashtag second. Oh no, I created opposite, no matters. So the second method will be by proving a is equal to b. Let I define two variables a and b to be equal. Now can I multiply both sides with a? Yes. And if I multiply a with a, it's equal to a square, and if I multiply b with a, it will be ba. Now can I subtract both sides with b square? Yes. And which is equal to ab, because ab is equal to ba minus b square. Now you can see it is in the form of a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b, a minus b, and it is equal to actually a. I can common this b, and what will be left? A minus b, right? And you can see here a plus b, and I can move this side to divide, because this is in multiply, and I can move on this to be divide, is equal to b, a minus b divided by a minus b. And you can see both sides have a minus b. I can cancel them out, and what is left? A plus b is equal to b. Now what have I written? A is equal to b, so I can replace b with a, and a plus a is equal to a. Now a plus a is equal to 2a, which is equal to a, and again now it is equal to a multiply 1, because if we multiply anything with 1, it will be same, and I can, yes, so 2 and a will go to here, and it will be a multiply 1 upon a, and a cancelled out a, and it is equal to 1. So you can see here 2 is equal to 1 proved, and again you can subtract both sides with 1, and what will be left? 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 1, and again it is equal to 0, 1, and 1 is equal to 0 from here, because 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So I prove with the second method, and you have also find the error in this equation. So let's begin with the third method. I have moved on to the third our method, and again we have to find 1 is equal to 2 and 1 is equal to 0. So let's begin with hashtag 3. So let's begin, and can I write a variable named a which is equal to 1? Yes. And what? I have to write a square is equal to a square, right? And I can actually plus 1 minus 1 on this side, minus 1 plus 1. Nothing will change. Minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 and will be same. So now can I write a square minus a, because a is equal to 1 as it is. I can put a with replace this, and it will be minus a, and I will not you can say factor this, and it will be 1, because it's my choice. I can write a note. So next of all, I can subtract both sides with a, and a square minus a is equal to a square minus a plus 1 minus a. Now can I distribute with this, and I can get a common a, and a will be left here, and minus 1, because nothing is left here, is equal to I can write a square minus a, which is minus 2a plus 1, Now you can see here a bracket in bracket a minus 1, which is equal to a square minus 2 into a, because it's same, multiply 1 because if you multiply anything with 1 it will be same, plus 1 raised to square because 1 square is equal to 1. So I can write it. Now a multiply a minus 1 is equal to, you can see here it is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square, which is equal to a minus b to the whole square, and I can write here a minus, not a minus b, a minus 1 because b here is 1, a minus 1 to whole square. Now a to multiply with a minus 1 is equal to a minus 1 and a minus 1 because it is equal to this, and I can move it from multiply to divide, and it will be a minus 1 multiply a minus 1 divided by a minus 1, and you can easily cut this out here, and a will be equal to a minus 1, and now put the value of a to be 1 is equal to 1 minus 1, which is equal to, actually 1 is equal to 0, and if you plus both sides with 1, and it will be equal to what, 2 is equal to 1. So I have 3 ways to prove this, and you have to find the urine in both 3 equations and comment down below. So if you can, do there, and bye bye.